Now I'm gonna make this pancake, but it's gonna be a bit controversial, okay? It's gonna be a very different pancake. Filling, we got minced meat with tomatoes. Very controversial for some, but for me, it's so good. Oh, it's not ready yet, but there you go. Tastes like chicken. Oh, double flip. While I'm chillin' low key, catch me on the downslide, I'll be heading up. That's low key, catch me on the downslide, You're flipping it. Right? Catch me on the downslide, I'll be heading up. And while I'm chillin' low key, catch me on the downslide, I'll be heading up. And while I'm chillin' Mamma mia! Pancake with salad. A very controversial pancake. What? What?
Oh, I want to see.
Ta-da!